Welcome, YouTube fans. I just want to share just another game with you called Another Brick in the Mall. It's a wonderful indie title. It gives the craving of a quick simulation, tactical strategy, allows you to become a tycoon in the mall arena, of course, you know. So you're building up a mall, you're expanding it, you're creating stores, creating the needs for the customers. I'm going to show you one of my games that I have been playing for the last, you could say, the last year. Currently, I have actually explored most of the map here. Let me just share a few things with you. Gigantic mall. Check it out. So, I got a grocery store. Oh, you always need a grocery store for your customers. I have a GameStop. It's more of a computer company where I sell products such as video games and maybe consoles too, and media, of course. What else do I have here? I got a Best Buy, electronics, computers, and also maybe some games and some other like TVs, appliances, and so forth. Got a restaurant, got Starbucks, little coffee place, coffee shop. Del Taco. Need a little fast food restaurant too. Got a little gasoline shop here. Of course, it's just a Circle K store. And we got the bathroom, the restroom, the shared restroom. And what do we have over here? Ross clothing store. And what do we have here? I think I was trying to make something different over here. This is actually a movie theater. Got all my little screens here. Not as packed as I would like it to be. Got a bowling alley. So let me just teach you the fundamentals. Supply and demand. Say you open up a Walmart and you bring everything out to the store shelves, and you decided to maybe create another store nearby, like a clothing store. You are going to reduce the demand of those products because you're going to have competition from the other stores that are nearby. So you want to make sure you spread them across the map. Like for what my issue is, I have a Ross somewhere over here. If I could find it. Where's my Ross? Okay. Kind of lost my Ross. Oh, here we go. We got a clothing store here. We had some good demand here, but we actually took some market away from Walmart, which is sitting right over here below here. So you can see the graph went up, went down. Now it's trying to catch up a little bit. So you got to make sure your market is not cannibalizing your other stores in the area. So you want to kind of spread it around the map. And I have an office that that helps marketing. It helps the just the aesthetics of the mall itself, making sure we have proper employment for the engineers, maintenance workers, and so forth. Got to have your parking spots here. Now you got to have your little trash pickups here because you don't want any mice to be coming to your stores as a visitor, because if you don't put a recycling center nearby, you're going to have a lot of rodents, mice gobbling down your food and scaring your customers away. Now you might see these little dedicated spots here. These are for like a drop-off pickup sites dedicated for shipments. Because usually when you have all your parking spots, maxed out, you're going to have some trouble getting your shipments for your stock. There's like a little trend here, so you can see the parking usage. It's pretty much at the highest point in the game so far. My finances. I had a pretty large peak here. I'm not sure what happened here. Maybe I had some marketing campaigns going on, but I took a big hit. Maybe on competition. It's hard to say. All my items are researched. demand. These are the demand. These are the focus areas where you want to focus on making sure your fast food, you meet the fast food customers, the demand for that, arcade games, movies, bars, and so forth. As you can see here, these are demand. These are the yesterday's sales. So you can see there's a higher demand, so that means you want to build more of these shops, zone them out properly. And here's your marketing. This is where you can actually increase your traffic, your foot traffic in your mall. Okay guys, just wanted to share this with you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.